So here's our chicken. We're making tinola. We're gonna add water to it to make our own broth. Okay, now that the others have salt and pepper, we can go ahead and put in our fish sauce into this. Okay. Like that. And now we could kind of put it all together now. Okay. Just like that. And then we're going to add a liter or two of water. If you have a big pot, this is what you need to do. Mason, come over here, babe. So we're gonna saute that together now. I've added salt and pepper, and I've added fish sauce into that. Now again, for the fish sauce, if you're not allowed to have salty food, you can have that on the side for the others to have if they want to. So with this, now that it's brown, we can go ahead and put in a liter of water. So again, use a bigger pot if you want more liquid into that, so you can put more of the baby kale, spinach, and chard. Okay, so look at this like this. Okay, so we're gonna cover this up to make broth. Okay, how you do it.